Now that you've learned how to use the Restart TV feature, we're going to give you some tips on how to use the fast forward button on your remote to skip through the commercials. Unless, of course, you like to watch the commercials. Keep in mind that there are some channels that do not let you skip commercials. However, most do, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do it. After you have restarted a channel or have started a program that you have previously recorded, when that program goes to a commercial break, by tapping the fast forward button once on your remote, your program will move forward in 30-second increments. So if a program commercial break is 4 minutes long, after 8 taps on fast forward, your program will be back from the commercial break. Now you might say pushing the fast forward button 8 times is too much work, but it takes less than a second to fast forward 30 seconds.